Hey guys, it's Robert here with the Hot Water Heater Guys. Just wanted to show you a quick install we're going to do today. We have a 40-gallon standard electric water heater, and we're going to be replacing this with a 50-gallon hybrid electric water heater. And you can see this water heater is actually 18 years old and some questionable wiring going on, but we're going to fix it all up, do it right. And with the hybrid electric, I'll go over that when we come back, just about how much more efficient they are, how much better they are. And you can see here, I think you can see that. Let's see. You can see it costs about $420 a year to run this one. And that was the 18 years ago price to run a water heater. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive than that these days. But we'll be back in a little bit to show you the hybrid electric after we're done installing it. Hey guys, this is Robert with the Hot Water Heater Guys. We're back at the install, and we've just finished up. And you can see here's the new hybrid electric heat pump water heater. A couple noticeable differences: it's a little bit bigger, it's better insulated, and it also has this heat pump on top here. You can see the fan. So, and then the water connects from the side here. We put an expansion tank on as required by code, and put the electrical in a conduit so that we're all good there. And you know, the biggest difference, you remember the other water heater was $400 and something a year to run, and this one is $114. So that's significant savings every single year. What's really the savings that's really awesome is we have this heat pump fan here. So if I go and knock this into hybrid mode, that fan will kick on. And it's going to actually blow out very cold air. It is very cold air, so it's great in a big laundry room where you have a garage outside to really lower the cooling bill as well. Something else that's important is because it has a heat pump, it also condensates. So you can see we've run a condensate line into a drain, so that way when that condensate happens, it'll have somewhere to go. So that's the hybrid electric heat pump water heater. Really awesome. If you have an electric water heater now, I would certainly recommend considering this. It's more expensive to install, but you know, if you're saving $300 a year in just a couple of years, you're going to make up for it significantly. So give us a call and we'll come see if we can make it happen for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.